All right, we've got a Karen. Karen at the docks. Apparently, she tried to help this guy because, they know more than we do. And he don't want her help. Am I assuming a gender here? Maybe I'm assuming a gender. Anyway, sounds like a her, but she tried to tell him what to do, and he's like, eh. And so she's going to get her revenge by putting him on the interwebs. Let's check it out.
Okay, so this driver went up to the dock up here and made a complaint saying he can't get into 5, which is this empty one next to this trailer.
And now you're complaining.
Well, they have this construction here and he doesn't know how to do it.
But you do. But you do. I'm confused. Because he complained that there's construction means he, but for some reason you do.
So I told him to line up with all these other trucks.
I told him to line up, she said. I mean, that works on your average white dude like me because I don't want to get all weird. But there's other people out there that come from places that don't give a fuck, Miss Parker.
Trucks and line up in front of the truck and then back up. So I'm going to record him.
And then, so I'm going to record him.
He should be able to get it in.
He should be able to get it in. That was sus. You've said that before, huh? I don't see nothing wrong with it. He's lining the F up the way he's supposed to. Let's move it a little
Figure out
faster.
what the space you have.
Look at her. She's still complaining. He did
And get
nothing
right
wrong.
next to that pillar over.
No pull ups or nothing. He's going straight. Look at this. Straight back into this spot. I thought it would take her 20 minutes to do it, and she was going to cut to the end. She clearly knows more than the rest of us.
Now he's crooked. He has to line
So
up.
what? You're. Nothing wrong.
He's
Look at
going
him.
trailer is going to hit.
So what?
So
He's pulled up a
now
couple
he
times.
straighten out his trailer.
Oh no, he didn't need your help. He didn't come out and ask for your help, and that made you mad, huh? Look, all of us have got out of the truck to help somebody, and they weren't with it. For whatever reason, we needed to help them. They're going to hit our mirrors when we're trying to sleep or something. And for whatever reason, they weren't with it. They didn't care. You can't. It ain't about you. It ain't always about you out here.
And he's from HFC Inc.
So
in
what?
Sydney, Iowa.
Dox him. Let's dox him quick before he backs in. I'm surprised she filmed the whole thing and just cut it as if he couldn't get in without her precious help.
Oh, I can't get in there, he says.
He's in there without you.
Stop being such a baby.
The irony. This is what we have to deal with out there.
This is a male trucker.
Are you sure about that?
And the guy that works here at JBS says, "Why are you a trucker then?"
He's doing it. It sounds like they're bullying up on him. She probably was all, wah, 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 wah. He's like, wah, wah, wah. And all of a sudden, they're best friends bullying this person. That's,
You think everything's supposed to be a silver platter and back up easy? No. You got all this space to use. And
and he used it. And you watched him use it. We had to hear you complaining he didn't use it like you would have used it.
that's what the problem is. Truckers don't use them.
He, I just saw him use it. Driver said he couldn't back up. What's he doing? Oh no. Cut the video quick. You tell the video. Oh, she just cut it. You saw that? She just cut it. She just cut it because he backed in. He backed in. Ugh. Karens. Might I suggest you a different industry? Maybe like a food critic. But backing into a dock recording somebody that's doing it, and then you label it he couldn't do it, mm, and then you uploaded it. I'm sure someone else, this trucker Pax, uploaded it, like jacked it from you. I wish I knew who you were, so I could tease you. Man, I guess if you got these Karens, let us know in the comments because I don't see them. I mean, I see them on the internet, but if you see one in person, hey, let us know.